Hello, everybody. This is Dwayne here, and today's video we're going to talk about a Google add-on called QR Code Generator for Form. You would want to use the QR code as a shortcut to go to the specific website that is embedded in the QR code. As you know, using Google Form will give you a long website and then sometimes just be a pain to try to type the whole thing. So a clever and novel way is to use the Google add-on called QR Form Generator. In order to get it, we're going to click on these three little dots. Well, first, little backdrop. Let's pretend we had a t-shirt sign up form. And this has already been pre-populated by the Google Form platform. So in order to access the QR form generator, you need to click on the add-on. Go here with the 1, 2, 3 little dots. Click add-on, and it will take you to the Google Marketplace, and you're going to type QR. Well, please pop up. I'm going to select QR code generator, and we're going to move myself out of the way for this. Okay. Click on it. We want to install the QR code generator. Basically, what you could do, you could customize or track a QR code for form with high quality energy, with high quality image. Respond, in this case, student or customer can open your form by scanning it with the mobile device easily. And you want to pick the one that's by 2HC Studio. We're going to install it. QR code generating needs your permission in order to start install it. Yes. Grant access. Google Chrome. You want to authorize to the specific account. I'm going to use my personal account. And it's loading in the background. And you want to allow permission. Make sure you can trust QR code generator. Click allow. It's installed in the background. You're going to get a security alert in your Gmail account, which is okay. Just know that something's being installed in the background. Move myself in the way so we can see that this QR code generator has been installed. And it gives you information. You can find QR code generator as the Google Form add-on. You click done. And we can close the marketplace workspace. Now, you click add-on. It gives you an option. The main thing about that, you can create a QR code generating any language, English, Spanish, Chinese, Arabic, Italian, and so forth. It's a good thing if you're creating custom form for business. It's a great tool to use, great source, because it teaches you, instead of having to type Google website with the long, as you can see the form with all that, it doesn't look good. So we're going to click generate QR code, Google Form QR code. It tells you the size. It's more bigger. But because I'm using this in the email, and this is correction level, the QR code label, put tests. But I like to keep it simple, but you could put name, t-shirt, But I don't want to do all that. But this is just an option. You can change the phone. I'm gonna copy the QR code. Also, because it's a free, we start out with 14 credit. You can click the bottom, and it's 14 credit, free credit per account. I previewed the previous credit to test it out, make sure it worked before I actually did the video. So we're gonna copy to the clipboard. QR code is copied to the clipboard. Click close. We can go to the email. In the email, you want to say, if you use the Automated Project, this would be a great tool to use. And the dear student, but this would simply say Control V the paste. And voila. As you can see, the code is only me interested in the email. You can also put this on the document in Google Doc, and you can use the phone. And you put the phone over the QR code, you go see the link. It say toacc.page.link. That's fine. Just click on the picture in the phone and it'll take you to the link that you just created. And you will see this form. That's how you use the QR form generator in phone. That's how you store the feature. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at getthere@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and learning about QR code generator and using Google Form. Have a good one.